Alright. What's going on YouTube? Kobe A here, feeling great here, y'all. As you can see by the title, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, I don't even know my title. Hold on, let me recheck. Let me check what I said. Why you guys should take a social media break. If you guys haven't took a social media break, they don't have to be crazy, you know what I'm saying? They don't have to be too long. You could take a break for 3 months. You could take a break for a month. You could take a break for 6 months. It's just however, you know, what type of progress do you guys want to see? Now, first off, why? Why should you take a social media break, right? Now, me personally, I took, I think, maybe 1 or 2 breaks, but one of my breaks was really long. Like, I'm still technically, like, I really don't post much on social media because I'm trying to focus on YouTube right now because I want YouTube to be my main platform. This isn't my main channel. This is just one of my channels. I actually have like 6 channels. I have a car channel. This is a conversation channel. I have a fitness channel, which is my main, Kobe 8 Fit. You can check it out on my my other channels on this page. And what else do I have? Oh, I have a plug channel for when I start streaming. And yeah, I'm just setting those up. But let's get to the point, y'all. Why you guys should take a social media break, okay? And this can be drastic. Like, taking this break could really like, when you come back to social media, it can really take you to the next level, okay? And the reason why this break is so drastic is because this is more so a break that's like psychological, mental, and it kind of helps you discover or kind of just, you know, refine your identity. So, you know, when I took my break, you know, I was doing music for a little while a couple years ago, and then, you know, after a while it started slowing down. I wasn't really seeing much return on investment, you know, and just stuff like that. I didn't really have much marketing to push myself. But I took a break from social media after that. A long break, probably like, well, I started slowing down. So when you guys start these breaks, you don't have to instantly just delete all your apps. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not even gonna be that easy, to be honest, because the way the younger generation's programmed, you know, you gotta stay in tune with you. But this change, you guys will discover a lot of things about yourself. And that's why I say it's more so about identity, because without social media, when you guys take these breaks, you don't have all these different influences that you see on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You know, it's certain reels, you know what I'm saying? If you take a break from TikTok and Instagram, right? Like, yeah, you can still use Facebook, whatever, but whatever you want to do. If you take a break, you're not scrolling through the reels, you're not doing all that scrolling and stuff like that. You're gonna start to have a liking for things that you don't, or you're gonna have a liking for things that you're not influenced by social media. And the reason why that's gonna give you guys a positive change is you guys are gonna start making decisions based off what you like, how you feel, and not off social media. You know what I'm saying? Like, basically a lot of this world today, they're kind of programmed to like they're kind of influenced a lot by social media. Like, you go on Instagram, you see people on these nice vacations. It's like, oh yeah, I want to go on a cruise. Let's get a couple friends and go on a cruise. You're influenced by what you just seen. You know what I'm saying? You see some crazy food being made on there. You're scrolling through the reels. Boom, you go to the store. You go cook up a fat meal, even though you know you're supposed to be on a diet. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of things that influence us. But when you take a break from social media, everything really comes from what you like and you want to do. Now, okay, let's say you took two people. One person who does not have social media and they don't use social media, and another person, they live by social media. They every day, every hour of the day, they're on social media. You ask those two people to come up with a wardrobe, right? Fashion. One person that, oh damn, my host texting me, whatever. Anyways, y'all, let's get back to the video. But that one person that's always on the social media, their fit is gonna be influenced by what's trending. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna show. The person who's not even on social media, it's gonna be different. It's not even, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be what they like. But even if it's a fit that's, you know, somewhat trending, it's not gonna be because they seen it trending or they were influenced by it. They truly, like, in their soul, they liked what they like, and that's that. You know what I'm saying? But now, instead of just about, you know, kind of just mental growth, financially, it can be a game changer for you guys too. You guys take this little break, you might start locking in, stop spending money on stupid stuff, like, cause you're not influenced by, you know, a lot of the reckless spending that people promote on social media. Some people can spend that money, but if you're not in that bracket, like, don't try to live how you're not, how you haven't positioned yourself yet. So it's like, yeah, man, you guys can, I would just take a break, you know, slowly ease into it, and then, you know, if you have to, deactivate your stuff for a little bit, you know. But this break, I guarantee you, you will see differences. Like, some people will take social media breaks and it cures their depression, you know. Some people, it makes it worse, you know. I know for me, once I started taking my social media break, like, I became, like, just physically, mentally a lot happier, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not worried about people's opinions. I'm not worried about clout, likes, whatever. If I post a picture, I'm not worried about likes no more. Like, when I was in music, I had to worry about what people thought of my music. I had to worry about, you know what I'm saying, how many plays I got on my stuff. Like, I had to worry about, you know, the money I'm putting into my stuff. Like, you take a break from social media, you realize a lot of stuff, right? And this is like, other things I realized when I took my break is, like, when I was taking a break from social media, those hours of the day where I would spend scrolling, now I'm occupying myself with stuff that's, you know what I'm saying, that's other than scrolling. It's probably more productive, you know what I'm saying, like shooting these videos, going to the gym, you know. Let's say you get home from work, right? You tell yourself, okay, I'm going to the gym at 8 p.m. You get home at 5. You got 3 hours. You start relaxing, you know. You probably didn't eat at work. You hungry. You start scrolling on your phone. Boom, you see a nice quesadilla, homemade, you know what I'm saying, tutorial. You like, oh man, I got to, your cue and your craving kick in. Boom, now you go and make a nice meal. You relax some more. Boom, it's now, let's say it's 7 p.m. You done ate and stuff. Now you done already scrolled and everything. You're not even in the mood to go to the gym. You're full, you're tired, you had a long day of work. Now your excuse is, oh, okay, I had a long day of work. I just ate, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even know if I can get up and go to the gym. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's stuff like that, you know, that you're influenced by. Now, the goal is to become the influencer. Everybody wants to be an influencer, but to become an influencer, you have to know your identity first. You have to learn yourself. You have to know yourself. You have to know what you like, and you can't be influenced by everything you see on the internet. You know what I'm saying? Like I would say one creator who really just stays in his own lane, does his own thing, DDG, YouTuber, y'all probably know him, but I ain't glazing. But look, everybody been watching DDG. But one thing you can say is, like, he not influenced by all the stuff, all the trending things that's going on. People picked up his sauce on, like, posting content, like posting multiple videos a day. But they didn't, you know what I'm saying, they didn't just take his ideas and everything. He's someone who comes up with different innovative creative ideas regardless of what's going on in the world. Like, to be able to do that, you have to know your identity, you have to know who you are, and you can't be influenced by everything you see. So This video is coming up on 10 minutes, man. I don't want this to be too long. I just want to touch up a few more things with this. Make sure when you guys take this break, like, truly try to hone in and lock in on who you are, your identity, and things you like. You know what I'm saying? Just go figure out and try things that you want to do, but that's not influenced whatsoever by social media. Okay, like, try new things, do a lot of things, like, you know what I'm saying? And you guys are gonna start to see, you know, kind of who you are. Like, you're gonna start to see like a new shell, kind of your identity, and that's gonna help for when you come back to social media. You're gonna be a person who creates, who influences. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna be the one that's just soaking in reels and content, and you just, you know what I'm saying, you have no value. So just try to lock in. It doesn't even have to be, you know, you don't have to be a person that posts content and stuff like that. You could just take a break just because you need it. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff always going on. It's fake propaganda. It's just fake. A lot of these things you see, it's just marketing. It's entertainment. I seen through that a while ago. So, yeah, man. I hope I gave y'all some value. I'm going to get back to y'all on the next one. I'm going to catch y'all.